Fairfax Alerts is the new alerting system provided by Fairfax County free of charge for residents to sign up and receive emergency notifications on multiple different devices. Fairfax Alerts is offering a number of new features that are enhanced over the old platform CEAN, including the weather module. They can determine what types of weather alerts they'd like to receive, and they can also receive those weather alerts based on geographic locations. So they can enter in up to 5 geographic locations on their profile, and then they will only receive weather alerts based on those locations. You can also define the quiet period in that same location on your profile, and hopefully by doing that they're receiving what they're looking for and they'll pay attention to the message when they receive it. Fairfax residents just sign up for Fairfax Alerts so they can be informed no matter where they are and where they go. The system allows you to receive alerts on multiple different devices, so when you're on the go, as many people are today, you can still receive that important emergency information.